Welcome to my course, Color Mixing for Abstracts by Doris Charest. We're going to learn all about the basics of color mixing and how to best choose the colors that are right for your abstract painting. I have a BFA in Fine Arts and a master's degree in visual art education. I've taught classes in mixed media and abstract art all over Alberta. I love art and I love teaching art. I love contemporary art and I want to share my love of this with others. What I present here is very simplified and covers only the basics of the techniques. If you have strong basic skills, you have strong paintings. So learn these basic skills, and what we're going to do is learn all about primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors, the basic color wheel and how it works. We're going to learn about dominant colors, secondary colors, and accent colors. We're going to analyze different paintings and figure out which are the dominant colors, which are the secondary colors, and which are the accent colors. We're going to learn about different artists that have used basic strong color mixing ideas and apply these ideas to our own work. Examples are everywhere of different kinds of colors and styles, and you can have a wonderful range of ideas before you actually start. I cover the work of well-known artists like Georgia O'Keeffe, Carol Nelson, Serge Polyakov, Huguette Callan, Vincent van Gogh, Emile Nolde. You get a little bit of an excerpt of the history of color and how the artists became focused on color mixing. We cover warm and cool colors and what they do, what effects you can create using warm and cool colors. I cover shades, tints, and neutrals, words that confuse people. I give examples of different work by well-known artists in each section. We cover the difference between high-key paintings like these. I give you tips to start a painting and references at the end that you can use to further your education. But overall, the idea is to give you a good understanding of color mixing and have you test it out in your own work by creating your own projects. So join me in Color Mixing for Abstracts by Doris Charest. Let's have fun together.